What's up guys, Derek here with EZLYNK. Let's talk IFTA reporting. This is going to be on our ELD side, the electronic logging device side of EZLYNK. A couple weeks ago we showed you guys a video where we filled up our truck with fuel, showed you how to do the receipts, how to input all the data. Today we're going to show you how to download that information so that you can properly reconcile with each state for IFTA taxes. We're going to jump in on our Fleet Manager account. Here we got our login page. Onto the left hand side we're going to come down under IFTA. We're going to go under IFTA reports, and this was the time frame that we did that video. Only fill up with 6 gallons of fuel just to show you guys, but this is what you would see as a fleet manager, and you'd even see even more states if you had more interstate driving, such as like Montana or California or Florida. For instance, just for reference, this is what the report would look like after you downloaded it. So, but to download this information, it's a super simple process. You go under, hit download. You can either download the receipts, but you can also download the IFTA report. We're going to do that. We want all jurisdictions, even though we only wrote in Idaho, and we want to save it as a PDF. So we'll hit download. It will come over here, and this is where it'll show you your total miles in each state, the miles per gallon, the total gallons, where you filled up. It's got a lot of information that will help with that reconciliation process for your IFTA reporting. So again, just for reference, this right here will be what it will look like if you traveled across multiple states. So for your bookkeepers, your accountant, this process makes their life easier. Just a quick tutorial for you guys today to show you what that looks like, how it works. Come back for more, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks guys.